Tapos Groove, and today I know we are starting this episode in a weird place, but I was just exploring around the desert and I found this. Looks like a very big village in a sand temple. So I thought, why not just start recording? Oh yeah, and I went finding diamonds off camera and I found quite a few. It's just that it took me so long that I thought you guys wouldn't want to see such a boring mining session of me finding diamonds. So let's see what the sand temple has. Okay, dig down, take the pad, take all the TNT, put a torch so I can see. Huh. Yay, TNT. Oops, what did I do? Okay. And okay, emeralds, gunpowder, bones. Sure, I'll take it. Take the sand also. Why not? Need blocks. Golden apple, I'll take. Gunpowder, yes. Saddle, of course. String, sure, why not? What? Diamonds, let's go! By the way, I found 7 diamonds in the cave. Wow, what epic loot this is, man. Those actually really good. I'm happy I recorded this part because I was doing this all off camera and I suddenly found this amazing place. A village and a sand temple like right next to each other. And I've run out of food, so yes, please. I need this. Oh, yeah. There seems to be a lot of hay. I need that all. Yay. Wait, where did the iron golem vanish? Oh, he went there. Hi. Just I don't want him to see me. Ouch. That was painful. Where is he? Yep, he's coming. Dude, I actually thought he might kill me. Okay, he can't reach from any angle, I hope. Kill him. What? How did he hit me from there? House, fast. Please tell me you have a bed. Nope. Nope, I will die here. Nope. What? How did he kill me from there? Oh no, I'm back all the way here. I was so far from home, man. He killed me like through the door. That should not be allowed. No, man. This is a problem. Well, I started recording all bad luck capable. Wow. No bed here. I need a bed fast. Why are there no beds? Just give me and run. Run. Ouch. No food too. Okay, I don't care anymore. Run. Dude, I just want diamonds in a sand temple. I can't lose that stuff. Come on, please. Hush, get out of the way. And I did some work off camera. First, I found a lava pool and made a nether bottle with lava buckets and water buckets. And that's all I did off camera, except mining. So, you guys didn't miss out on much, okay? Come on. I actually been at this village before. This is the village I found in the first episode, I think. Was it the first or second? I'm not sure really. But all I care about is my stuff. Run, Thanos, run. Okay. If I was tough, how long would I stay alive? 5 minutes. Can I reach there in 5 minutes? Yes. So come on. Cows, get out of the way. Move. Nice. No. Bad. Come back. Yeah, actually, I made that there to mark a point, and that's good. At least I know I'm going the right direction. Yes, I think, is that the village? Or is this another village? What? I think I found another village, guys. This is the wrong village. I think it's ahead. Oh, wait, is that the village? I think so. No, this is another sand temple. What is this? I didn't see this on the way. Nice. I'll take you when I come, okay? Please wait, sand temple. Please. My stuff should be right here. Come on. Uh, village, where are you? No, seriously, where's the village gone? Guys, I finally found my stuff. It was right here this whole time. Wait, where's my pickaxe? Okay, it's there. Okay, that was a close one, guys. And yeah, don't mess with iron golems if you can't. Moral of the story. Literally. Oh, need food. Need my sword ready. My inventory is a mess right now. This stupid iron golem caused this trouble, man. Get out of here. My god, I can't believe this much stress was caused by an iron golem. Okay, let me just take all this. Hey, I should have taken a hoe, but oh well. Sad. Uh, more food. Hush. I ran out of food. I went to find a village in the desert because I kinda ran out of food. My bread finished. So I thought, why not just find a village with hay? And I found one. So hooray. Where's the blacksmith I got just saw? Yeah, it's here. Okay. I'll just take this because I can. And wow, let's go. We're getting so lucky with our loot, man. Found 6 diamonds by not mining. Can I repeat? Not mining. Hey, it's a horse. I have a saddle, right? Yup. I also have a diamond horse armor at home. So yeah, let's see. Oh, let's go. Let's go, horse. Okay, not bad. You're not that slow, also. I see how high you jump. It's okay, I guess. Not a bad horse. What? That was a close one. He fell in a ravine. A cave, sorry. Nice. Now let's find that sand temple and village. Oh, sorry, horse. No, not in the water. Jump. Oh, come on. I don't have a lead. What should I do? Uh, uh, horse. Oh, sorry. I mean, I got to punch you. I can't do anything else. Uh, sorry, horse. Uh, so sorry. So sorry, horse. I'm so sorry. You want some bread? What do you eat? I forgot. You know what? I'll handle that later. Okay. I found the sand temple. Okay. Let's go. Okay. This village should be nearby then, right? You know what, buddy? Uh, put this. Wait. Why didn't I give you this horse armor? Let's go, shiny. Let me just. Wait. Where's the hole here? Here. Hole in the hole. Thank you. Stay here, okay, please. Can't you die already when I just got you, man? So yeah, guys, if I get diamonds here, this will be amazing. Because I already got 6 diamonds from a village and sand temple. I mean, I can't believe it. What skeleton? That scared me. Torches, please. Here. And let's go down. Oh, okay. If it was a wooden pressure plate, I would have been dead right now. Ooh, not bad. More iron. Gunpowder also, I'll take. Golden apple, please. And more gunpowder, sure, okay. Awesome, I'll take one. More, oh, okay. 2 saddles, not bad. And yeah, whatever. Wait, I have string also, right? Yep. Oh, it's an okay book, I guess. I'm not really that happy with the loot I just got, but sure. How much luck can you get with 3 sand temples? I mean, come on. Uh, Horse, buddy. I'm gonna name you later when I get a name tag. So please stay alive. Good morning. So, Horsey, wait, you're there, right? Okay. No, these zombies are alive. That's sad. Okay. Uh, Horsey, yep, come out here. Let's go on a journey, Horsey. Traveling will become so much faster now. Where's the village I had found? Let's see. Is it ahead of this or behind this? Uh, no, not again, Horsey. Come here, please. Oh, thank you, Horsey. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, first. No, 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 no. Come on, Horsey. I can't keep on punching you. Oh, wait, I can push you. Oh, I should have done that from the start. Huh. First, thank you, Horsey. Sorry for punching you a lot. Because I don't want you to drown in the water. I mean, that's a good reason, right? Nope, it's not, but sure, okay. Jump! Oh, I was just seeing how high you jump. Sorry. Okay, more hay bales, please. I need hay bales. Horsey, you stay here again. And yeah, more hay for me. Hi, Horsey. Wait, you eat hay bales, right? Let me give you some. Oh, okay, a stack. Thanks. Yay, full health. Let's see. Any blacksmith here at all? Uh, Sorry, Horsey. I didn't mean for that to happen again. This is horrible. I keep on hitting my horse for no reason, killing him. I'll get a stack and I'll get out of here. Okay, any blacksmith? You look like a blacksmith, but you're not. Yeah, fine. More wheat? Nah. Nothing special in this village. Nope. Horsey. Hey, Horsey? Where did you go? Oh, you're right here. You know what, Horsey? I think we should go home. Wait, where is home? Again, I forgot. Home is towards the plus, right? I hope. Is it? Doesn't look like it. Wait, it is. Okay. Go slowly, Horsey. Uh, Yeah, perfect. Let's go home. Hooray! Go. Huh? You were just here a second ago. Horse? Did he die? No. Horsey. Wait, how do you go there? Come back here. Stop messing around with me, man. You're gonna scare me when you're actually lost. I actually love this biome a lot. So nice, so peaceful. Uh, yeah. If I say anything nice, okay, that's pretty epic. World generations in this are epic. Look at this mountain, man. It's amazing. And I don't want to put water, please. Hooray, my house. Hi. And my very weird parkour skills test, cobblestone, whatever. You know what, guys? Uh, yeah, over here. Stay. I'll put you in this hole. This will be your amazing home, okay? Aussie? Hooray, are you happy with your house? What? No, I thought you want to eat food. No, I'm not letting you escape from here. Yep. Let's see what I got today. Today I got more diamonds. Wow, okay. And lots of saddles, lots of books, lots of extra stuff. And don't need this. This, yep. This also. This also. What do I not need here? I'll pick it out. This. And let's make all of this into bread because I can. So much bread. Whoa. Okay. Now that's a lot of bread. You know what? Let's add infinity to our bow. Because why not? Infinity bow. Yep. This plus this. Oh. 4 levels. I'm at 2. Come on. So this chest is full. So let's put all the useless stuff here. Not really useless, but okay, sure. Oh yeah. I got lots of iron too. 8, 11, 3 gold. Okay, sure. So almost a stack of iron and 10 gold. Not bad at all. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I should make leggings because I kinda lost them. Okay. And what else? Put 2 stacks of this inside. Put my bed, this, and I think you. Let's explore the leather today. It'll be fun. And I need to make gold boots. Yep. Not that. This. Hooray! Now let's go. In this last few games I've played and I've gone to the nether, most of the times I my nether portal was above lava, so I had to protect. I put sand around it so that I don't fall in lava and be safe when I enter the nether. So yeah, hooray. I should remember not to die here too, because I don't want to lose this epic stuff I have. And let's go. No, piglins. The hoglins these are. These are even worse, man. No. Need my blocks out here. Yep. Oh wow. What is this? Soul Sand Valley? Wait, where's the valley then? Oh, it's right there. Nice. Oh, XP. Oh, I totally forgot. I should have made a shield. Guys, wait. Uh, Soul Sand Valley is quite dangerous. Oh no. Oh no 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 no. No 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 no. I'm already almost dead. No 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 no. Run 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 run. Don't die, please please. No. Dude, I just said I don't want to die there. And that's why I never go to the nether. I hate the nether a lot. Yep. Now all I have to do is hide for a while. Get my stuff in place. Yep. Okay. Yep, let's go. How should I run through the Soulside Valley, man? There's so many ghast and skeletons. Stop it, ghast. Stop it. Okay, don't hit me. Please don't hit me. I don't want to die already, please. Enderman. Should I take him on? Too late, I already took him on. It didn't even drop a pearl again. Anything around? No, okay. Heal up, heal up, heal up. Wow, there are lots of Endermen. I'm not going to fight all of those. No, no, no. Ouch, ouch. No, 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 no. I said no, please. Please don't. Thank you. Uh, okay, that's quite deep down. Okay. Uh, no, 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 no. Stop, 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 stop. Bone blocks help me. Thank you. What? No, no, not again, not again. What? I can't even jump now. No. Go back, go back, go back. Block. Block. Okay. Who Striders? Hi. So far away from my portal, it's unreal. Okay. Now, for the first time, I'm gonna actually fight the skeletons because. Dude! No, lady. What? This is stupid. This- No! No, no, no. Okay. Good use a one shot, man. I can't believe how far I've gone for this stuff. Oh, ruined. Nice. Okay. I'm just gonna build through this so that these guys don't hit me. Please. Thank you. Okay. This is not the Soul Sand Valley a bit. Okay. Bell. Okay. 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 Obsidian. Obsidian. Yes. 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 No. 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 Stop it. Stop it, snipers. No. No. Nope. No. No. Now I have to count as how many pieces of obsidian there is on that. You know what? I'm making a portal back. This is not good. This is not good at all. Okay. If I go close enough to the portal and see how many obsidian does it have. Just, I don't care. I have two pieces. Okay. Dude, come on. This is horrible. You know what? I'm just running. Run. Run. Wow, this place is big. Will this ever end? I don't think so. So, yeah. You know what? For a change, what? That's a fortress. Okay, so far, but okay, that's a fortress. It's going to be better than this area at least. Places with the skeletons, nothing, man. This is nightmare. No, don't hit me. You can hit me, but still. Shooting me with shame, man. So much shame. Ouch. Okay. Is there a way to get down? Okay, there is. How? All I can see is skeletons. Okay, that helps. Uh, I need blocks. Not this. I need blocks. Okay. I have so many blocks. That's stupid. Okay. Okay, where am I? Please, Kavalo, what's type me from there? Uh, how close am I to the fortress? Am I under it? Over it, I mean. I think so. Let me just check. Okay, no skeletons. Thank you. Come on, come on, come on. Do something. My mouse glitched and I lost everything. I have lost everything. Okay. That's great, I guess. It's lost all the progress I made. Huh. So, yeah. Hi, horsey. Okay, it's not like that's a lot, but man, that's horrible. That sucks, man. A lot. Sad. Why did this happen? Why did this have to happen? Any sticks? Okay, thank you. Pickaxe, yay. Uh, yep. Okay. Nothing useful in here. So, yeah. Bread. Bones, I have a lot. Okay. This was horrible. Guys, thank you for watching this episode. And I know I didn't do anything in this episode. Disaster kept on striking. So I'm thinking that tomorrow, no distractions. I'm only going to make my house. I am not going to go to the nether until I think I'm ready to. So, if you guys like the video, please like the video and subscribe. And tell me what we should do next in the comments below. So, bye guys.